2022 blizzard is officially beginning down in central Arkansas. Right now, temperatures are dropping at an unbelievable rate. We've got rain, snow, and sleet simultaneously in the Little Rock and surrounding areas, and it looks to be progressively increasing in intensity while the temperature is looking to get down to 5 degrees tonight. Right now there's a ton of water on the road, and my guess is that when it really plummets, this will all flash freeze and be a thin layer of black ice underneath what will probably be an inch or two of snow. Stay safe.